Want to install apps on your iPhone without the App Store? Here's how to do it safely. One option is AltStore, a trusted alternative app store. To install it, download AltServer on your PC or Mac from altstore.io. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open AltServer. Install AltStore on your iPhone via AltServer. Open AltStore on your iPhone and sign in with your Apple ID. Download APK files and open them with AltStore to install. Another option is TestFlight, used by developers to test apps before release. Download TestFlight from the App Store. Get an invitation link for the app you want to test. Open the link in TestFlight and follow the installation steps. For full app freedom, you can consider jailbreaking, but this may compromise security and your device's warranty. Now you know how to install third-party apps on iPhone without the App Store.